running through the storm, yeah, screaming with the thunder. Depression's got me trying to pull under. Every single time I never thought I'd rise up and push through every little thing. Every single time you try to plumb me under, I rose up like strong as thunder. And the thunder to your fucking lightning, just shoot your electric through me. Every single time you try to destroy me, try to put me down and fucking destroy me, rose up like a shining light. Every single time I would break your spirit, break you down, ride or die, break you down like you're drowning. Every single day you try and break me, didn't work, nah, didn't work, nah. Now you're trying to make up fucking shit. You're trying to blame me for fucking bullshit. You're trying to blame me for your mistakes. It's a fucking big disgrace. Why you trying to blame me for your mistakes? Is it cause I told you out, yeah, for your mistakes? Yeah, pay for your sins, pay for your crime. Don't do it, it's that big crime. Every single time you try and blame me, try and roll on me like fucking thunder, try and pull me under. Not gonna work, yeah, rising up like a shining light. Shine bright, yeah, you're fucking tight, I'm fucking loose. I'll break your spirit, break you down, literally break you down, make it feel like you're gonna fucking drown. Pull me down till I drown, try and pull me down till I drown. Ain't gonna work, you can try and drown me, try and break me or break through it all. Not once, not twice, but 3 times I broke through it all. 3 fucking times, yeah, stab me once, stab me twice, but still went through it. Every single time I just broke through it, rising up stronger, every single day getting stronger. Can't break me, not gonna break me ever again, yeah. Rising up tall like a fucking strong warrior, back on another fucking beat, standing up on my 2 feet. You can't blame me for doing my shit. You can't blame me for doing this shit.
I feel the rain coming down.